Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring something that promises to elevate your cheek game. A product that combines flush-worthy color with a radiant glow. If you're all about that natural, lit-from-within look, this might just be the one for you. Introducing the Tarte Maneater Blush Glow Cheek Plump. This liquid blush and highlighter combo promises to give you buildable color and a luminous finish, all while providing the perfect flush of pink that enhances your cheeks. What's even more intriguing is that it's designed to give that plump, healthy glow without looking heavy or cakey. It's the kind of product that'll have you feeling radiant without even trying. Let's get into the details of what makes this product stand out. First off, the formula. The Tarte Maneater Blush Glow is a liquid product that blends effortlessly into the skin, leaving behind a smooth, radiant finish. Whether you prefer a subtle flush or a more intense glow, this formula is buildable, which means you can customize your look based on your mood or the occasion. The key ingredient here is the light diffusing pigments that help deliver a luminous, soft focus effect, making your skin look fresh and glowy. When it comes to the color, this blush gives off a soft pink hue that has just the right amount of warmth to complement a wide range of skin tones. It's not too cool, not too warm, just that perfect balance. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can wear it as a blush for a natural pop of color, or build it up as a highlighter for that extra glow, depending on what you're after. Now let's talk real-world testing. I've been using this blush for a few days, and I have to say, it fits seamlessly into my routine. The application is super easy thanks to the liquid formula. It glides on smoothly, and I find that it doesn't streak, which can sometimes happen with liquid blushes. The finish is luminous without being overly shiny, which is great because you get that glow without feeling like you're wearing a ton of product. It feels light on the skin, and after a full day, it hasn't faded, which is a big win for me. That being said, I did notice that the product can get a bit too intense if you apply too much at once, so it's definitely important to build it up gradually. But once you get the hang of it, the result is a beautifully fresh, dewy look that lasts all day. In terms of texture, it's smooth but not greasy, which is always a win when it comes to liquid products. It doesn't settle into fine lines or texture, so it gives that I woke up like this effortless vibe. But it's important to note that if you're not a fan of liquid blushes and prefer powders, this might take some getting used to. It's all about personal preference. The price is definitely on the higher end, but considering the quality of the product and the fact that it serves as both a blush and highlighter, I think it offers good value. It's not just a blush that fades within an hour. It's something that lasts and gives a glow that's hard to match with powder formulas. If you're not looking to spend quite as much, there are definitely more affordable options out there. Brands like Milani and NYX have liquid blushes with similar effects at a fraction of the cost. But if you're someone who loves a high-quality, multi-purpose product and is willing to invest, this could very well be worth the splurge. Looking at the packaging, it's simple yet sleek, Tarte's signature style. The liquid blush comes in a compact tube, which makes it easy to apply and travel with. I love that it doesn't take up too much space in my makeup bag, and the design feels premium without being flashy. As for build quality, it feels solid. The packaging is sturdy and leak-proof, which is essential for a liquid product like this. There's no mess when you open it, and the applicator is precise, so there's no need to worry about applying too much. In terms of customer support, I've had a great experience with Tarte in the past. They're responsive and easy to get in touch with if you have any issues with the product. They also offer a great return policy if it turns out the product isn't for you. Now, for those of you who are looking for alternatives, if the price tag feels a little high, I recommend checking out other liquid blushes that can offer similar results, like the Glossier Cloud Paint or the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. Both are highly rated and provide a similar dewy finish with excellent staying power. To wrap things up, the Tarte Maneater Blush Glow Cheek Plump is a solid option if you're looking for a high-quality liquid blush that delivers a natural, radiant finish. It's buildable, long-lasting, and versatile enough to use as both a blush and highlighter. If you love a healthy, glowing complexion, this is definitely worth trying. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.